Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today is going to be a really quick one. I will show you how to retouch the skin in any application that you have. Let's go. Here we are in Photoshop, and this is the image that we will be working on. First off, we will have to take care of the details on her skin, getting rid of the pimples, the blemishes, etc. For this, let's make a duplicate of the background layer by tapping on the three dots and selecting duplicate layer. With the healing brush selected, press and hold on the button situated on the bottom left. That will activate the second option, which is set source. After you have set the source, release the button and brush over the area like so. And just repeat the process until you've gotten rid of all of the imperfection on her skin. To save some time on the video, I've already gone ahead and did it. Here is the result. Now let's get into the smoothing of the skin. Let's create a new layer and rename it DB for dodging and burning. Select the color picker tool and choose the darkest color on her face. In this example, I will take the color of the shadow right under her jaw. Switch to the other one, and this time we will pick the lighter color on her face. Once that is done, on the new layer, we are going to change the blend mode. Tap on this button to bring up the layer's properties. And select luminosity. Next, let's set up the brush tool. Make sure that your flow is at 1% and the smoothing has to be at 0%. You can leave everything else as is. Alright, let me explain to you what I want to do. So basically you take the lighter color and you go in and brighten up the darker shade and use the darker color to brighten up the darker areas. It's really subtle, but let me show you a before and after. Also, there is an easy way to help you locate the problem areas. Just create a black and white layer. And change the blending mode to color to keep the luminosity intact in the image. There will be less distractions and you will be able to work more efficiently this way. Here I'm still using the lighter color to brush in the darker areas, just to even out the skin a little bit. It's really subtle, but the more you work on it, the better the result will be. If you want to switch between colors, you can do it easily with your left hand. Here's a little before and after of what I've done so far. Personally, I prefer leaving some details to make it more natural, but it really depends on your preference, how much you want to work on it, and what you want the end result to look like. Also, make sure to zoom out from time to time just to have another perspective and to see if there are other areas that you need to work on. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Let me show you a before and after. Let's take out the black and white layer, before and after. Let me group them together by sliding to the right and show you what we started with. So this is the original image and this is after the skin smoothing. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that you liked it, and please do me a favor and go click on the subscribe button and the like. Help me get to my goal of 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Peace.